Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to be making smoked catfish or dried fish. So to begin with, I'm going to start by cleaning my fish. In here I have 2 kgs of catfish. So I'm going to be cleaning my fish with lime juice, and you can also use baking soda, hot water to clean your fish. The essence of applying this lime juice on the fish skin is to remove the slime from the fish. And after applying the lime juice on the fish, I'm going to wash it off with water. I know many people may find this process of drying the catfish at home more stressful and time consuming, but I can assure you that this is the best way if you want to enjoy your catfish, because the taste of the homemade catfish, when compared to the one you get from the market, you'll find out that the homemade one is amazing. And also, the when you talk about the health wise, you will find out that the homemade one is more healthier compared to the one you get from the market, because you have enough time to clean your fish and remove the slime from the fish. But for the one you get from the market, I don't think they spend much time in cleaning the fish. So guys, do try this homemade dried catfish at home with your oven, and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. And one more thing guys, if you want to learn how to clean your catfish with hot water, you can check out my previous video where I made a catfish pepper soup. You will see how I cleaned my catfish with hot water. It's very easy and very simple and less time consuming. So the reason why I did this method of cleaning catfish with lime juice is to show you guys another way you can clean your catfish if you don't want to use hot water. Please guys, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if today is your first time of coming across my channel, and also like and share this video. So this is what my catfish look like after I'm done cleaning it. So the next thing to do is to add salt to it, and after that I'll use my hand to massage it. And another way you can do it is to first place your catfish on your oven rack, then sprinkle some salt on it before placing it in your oven. So after I'm done massaging the fish, I'm going to start by placing them on my oven rack. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to switch on my oven and allow it to preheat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Or you can just keep this part of preheating the oven. You can just arrange your fish, then place it in your oven and switch it on. Set the timing and also the temperature as well. So after this, I'm going to go ahead to place my catfish in my oven and allow it to dry. So 2 hours later, I'm going to go ahead to take out my smoked catfish from the oven. And one more thing guys, do remember to flip the other side of the catfish so that the both side will be dry. So guys, this is what my catfish look like after drying it.